Supporting activities. Wide accommodation. Alongside our core products, we offer a wide range of green transition consultancy. Because of our technologies and expertise, this covers a wide range of clean energy sectors. For those who seek to administer and develop entire regions, we are developing transformative plans for two distinct rural areas in Denmark: the Southern Islands and Central Jutland. During the last 3 years, we have been reaching out to multiple municipalities, building larger visions for both energy storage and the technologies that use it, including hydrogen, environmentally friendly PHA plastics, synthetic chemicals/fuels, data centers, and decarbonizing industry. National scopes. Our solutions build synergies that benefits all stakeholders, while providing an international win-win structure for curiosity-based partnerships. We are approaching all ministries in Denmark, including energy, economy, finance, environment, and health. As mentioned, we provide renewable energy storage with a Scandinavian outlook and reach out to all Nordic companies with major visions for decarbonized industry to drive the country's future prosperity. While speaking of the Danish Parliament's offices, we went to the KEF Council in 2025 to make a deputation to the Council. And this was done in order to interest the top tier of the nation's administrators in our vision. Digital tools for public officials. The deputation consisted of a digital tool which can show multiple energy and/or CCS projects on the same location, but each using different geological layers. This is a big advance from current methods, which assume that activities in different geological layers interfere with each other while restricting the range and number of developments. Here it is shown how slow water and/or liquid CO2 travels through different rocks and soils due to different porosity and pressure. Our Renewian visual underground administrative tool shows this for use by project developers, the Energy Agency, and/or various technical departments of municipalities. The tool can view projects in 2 or 3 dimensions from any angle in order to help users envisage the 3-dimensional plans. Larger soil volumes can be challenging to grasp for the interface users, and initially the tool will be accessible by a simple 2D overview. Later this will also be available in 3D perspectives, and we have already made early drafts of these modes, which can become helpful on a case-by-case basis. The tool disseminates the option of dividing topographical land registers. By this we mean that the buildings can be on one plot, accessing underground resources below plots by directional drilling, provided that none of the developments interfere with those on any other layer. In this way, vertical domain registers can be seen as a clear advantage. This example shows how excavators use diagonal drilling from one topside land register to drill into the rock hundreds of meters below another land register. We also plan to help the Danish public to get a better understanding of the pros and cons of different energy storage solutions, to understand which is the most viable in each case. Make no mistake, as we are players within compressed air energy storage, which is known as CAES, this will be our main focus. But we freely accept that other technologies may be best under certain circumstances and constraints, such as size, duration, and geology. Digital tools for the common public. The optimized overview will be made available publicly on the web. The purpose of this is educational, for government and public alike, to help make public discussion of energy generation, energy storage, and other industries better informed. We also offer to educate school children between 4th and 6th grades about the issues regarding the energy transition. One such example is the Kalte Dunkelflaute, a 2-week weather pattern which sometimes occurs over most of Western Europe, in which renewable generation is below 10% of capacity for the whole time. There are different generation and storage strategies to mitigate the problem. The tools we aim to develop will help them understand the trade-offs between those different strategies. And as such, the children's parents can discuss how the displayed fortnight case periods are being summarized and calculated in regards to renewable energy sources and potential storage options.